Are you tired of monotonous studying, where you're stuck on one subject for hours and hours on end and not making any progress? And if you're a teacher, do you find that your students are often bored by trying to solve the same problem again and again and again? This can be a real challenge to learning, and what can we do to solve it? Well, we can mix things up by using interleaved practice. We can study more than one topic or type of problem across a study session, and that makes good use of our study time. Welcome to Learning in Technology with Frank, where we look at how technology can help us learn and teach more effectively. In this video, we're going to take a look at interleaved practice, what it is, how it works, and how to create learning content that takes advantage of its power. This video is part of a series of videos on how understanding the research into how people learn can help improve our learning content creation. The series of videos is being sponsored by iSpring, and I'll be demonstrating how to use the iSpring suite to apply these theories when we're building training content a little bit later in the video. So, what is interleaved practice? It might sound like it's multitasking, but it's not. It definitely is not multitasking. Interleaved practice involves mixing different topics or types of problems within a single study session. So as opposed to focusing on one type of problem at a time, which is blocked practice, what we're going to do is we're going to encourage you to constantly switch between different kinds of tasks or information, which enhances your ability to differentiate between concepts and applies the right strategies in different contexts and varied contexts. So imagine you're studying for 3 hours, 3 blocks of time, and during each block you study one problem type. Well, what if you instead used interleaved practice and studied a little bit from each problem area during each of those 3 blocks of time? The research suggests that interleaved practice actually improves problem-solving skills because it aids in transferring learned skills into new situations, making it a powerful strategy for durable learning. So how do we actually use interleaved practice? Well, a great way to use interleaved practice is to create smaller, more bite-sized course materials that can be studied in a shorter time frame, meaning that we can cover more variety in a single study session because we can complete activities across different subject matter or different problem types. Let's take a look at iSpring and how I can use it in order to create interleaved practice. Here I am in a presentation about sea turtles, and this presentation has 3 sections to it. Section A is on the physical features of a sea turtle, Section B is on the habitat of a sea turtle, and then Section C is on how they're endangered and what type of sea turtles are endangered. And what I want to do is I want to actually take this one presentation and I want to turn it into 3 presentations. The first presentation will be a linear presentation, linear course, that goes section A, B, then C. The second one will go B, C, then A. And the third one will go C, B, A, or whatever combination that I like. In order to do that, I don't want to have to create the presentation 3 separate times, moving the slides all around. So in iSpring, I can go into the slide presentation properties. And when I go into the slide presentation properties, it's going to give me a dialog box that lets me organize and time everything for my online course. So for example, I've got the main title here, Sea Turtles, then I have section A, then I have section B, and you see that I can use the indent and outdent buttons in order to create things so it's easy for me to see things. In fact, I could just collapse these so that it's easy to see the different sections in here, A, B, C. And then what I can do is I can use the branching feature. So right now, this course will play as a sequential. Slide 1 will lead into slide 2 to 3 to 4 and so on. If I take a look, for example, at the first slide, you can see that by default, if I look at my branching, the button will take it to the next slide, the back button will take it to the previous slide. Well, what I could do is I could save this and publish this as day 1 study. And I would put a lot more in here. I would put on quizzes and different interactions and things that would make it more of a review process and more of a learning course. But I will go in here, and instead of going from the title slide to the next slide, which would be section A, I'm actually going to have that go out to section B, which is habitat. So in this second version of the course, it's going to go from the title slide right into section B, skipping over section A. Now I'm going to say OK to that, And that means that at the end of B, I'm then going to go to the section C. But at the end of section C, what I want to do is I want to go in, and the very last thing I want to do on section C before the summary is I want to go back to branching, and then I'm going to pop up to section A. So in this case here, I've now created a second version of my course, but instead of going A, B, C, I'm going B, C, A, and then of course I want to go at the end of section A, and I want to go in and make sure that that then takes me to the end of the course or the summary. So you can see how easy it is with the different branching to change the order that the different sections appear in different versions of the course. This is a great way to introduce interleaved practice, because what I can do is, of course, add quizzes and problem sets, and then students can choose whether they want to use version A, B, or C on different days and get the same experience, but in a different order, in an interleaved order that helps them learn and retain the information more effectively. Interleaved practice is not the only research-based tool for learning though. Check out this video for another technique that'll help you learn and teach more effectively.